Hi, welcome to Cloudminister Technologies. In this tutorial, we will show you how to check your ledger or account statement from your Cloudminister's client area. Please watch the full tutorial. Visit our website at cloudminister.com. Go to our website login section and log in to the Cloudminister's Technologies client area. Once you are logged in the dashboard, on the left side you will see billing option. Click on that. The account statement option will be displayed as soon as you click on the billing option. Next, you have to enter the start and end dates on which you want to view your account statement and click on Search My Statement to proceed. Afterwards, you will get your account statement file and download option on the right side. Click on Download to check the statement. That's how you can check your ledger or account statement in Cloudminister's Technologies client's area account. We provide call support. You can contact the Cloudminister Technologies team at 01414924265 or raise ticket from client area for better assistance. Thanks for watching full tutorial. If you found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see upcoming videos like this.